Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to your daily Manta update. That's kind of what this has become, which I don't mind. I mean, I like covering Manta. I haven't bought it. I mean, I have bought it before, but I sold it, which I don't want to spend too much time talking about that. It's a dark page in my trading. It was a trade. But no, I mean, I did not lose money, but still. Manta has been doing incredibly well, and right now it's still bullish. Was also expected if you watch my video. Yesterday the price was at around this level right here. Like it hadn't broken above 3.5 yet, which was the main resistance, but we did think that was going to happen, right? So then I said, well, the next price target probably is 3.75. But I'm aiming for 4. So that we did not hit 4. I still think that that's a major resistance level we can actually get to. But now there are some other things we need to talk about. I mean, Bitcoin right now is finding some resistance. Manta is actually... I don't think Manta is that correlated to Bitcoin, but when the market opens on the Sunday, Monday, when new capital flows into the markets, everything tends to be more correlated to Bitcoin. And Manta is actually quite correlated with Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, right now we're testing our main support. I do still think that Manta at this moment, technically, but also fundamentally, is still bullish. But I do want to tell you, just at the start of this video, that there is a chance that this was the top. All right, and I do not take that lightly. I mean, at this moment, the truth is that fundamentally, Manta is doing great, all right? The total value locked is amazing. I'm not sure if I trust it all. I mean, $400 million in a lending protocol. I'm not sure, but I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. And at this moment, like I said, I mean, the Manta yesterday was very bullish. Now, what we're seeing is that since yesterday evening actually, the open interest has started to kind of drop down. I mean, you can see that there's a bit of a downtrend in here, starting from earlier this morning, but also we made our highs yesterday evening. So momentum is dropping down, price is falling as well. We already broke below the 28 EMA. Now, we've done that before, so that's not the end of the world. But at this moment, the thing is that I do think we need to stay on top of this level here at 3.5. It's a big technical level with a 50 EMA. It's a psychological level. I think that is a level we need to hold. Now, there's still, and at this moment, I mean, frankly, especially with Bitcoin falling like this, at this moment, it looks most likely that it will not hold. All right. So if Manta is able to hold that, which is a possibility in these markets, well, then that's great. And if we can actually get a bit of a bounce here, then that's great. And we're going up to $4. But at this moment, just to be fair with you, I think it's most likely will drop down. So then we're dropping down to our next support level between 3.3 and 3.25. I expect support there, but from there we've already had like 2 major bearish breakouts. Open interest will have decreased even more. So if Manta really drops down below this level here at 3.5 now, like I said, we're dropping down to 3.25. From there is still a possibility that we'll actually break back above 3.5. Wow, big spike down. That will actually break back above 3.5. But I am almost... I'm very much leaning towards just telling you that I think this is the top. It's way too early to say that because we haven't gotten enough confirmation yet. But at this moment, like if 3.5 really breaks, we're down to 3.25. And I think down from 3.25, if that happens, the market is also less bullish, probably. So from that level, I don't think Manta would be able to break above 3.25 or get a bullish breakout from 3.25 either. We'll just take a bearish break retest and drop down lower towards 3 and 2.8. So this, I have to say this is most likely, but that's a bit of a prediction. That's a bit of a gamble, all right? Because technically, Manta still looks more bullish than this. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see if it really closes below 3.5. We'll have to see how it reacts to 3.25. I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, I have to say that this seems most likely. So yeah, those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions about it, if you hate me for being bearish, then let me know down in the comments. I'm sure we can talk it out. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care. If you want to know when I'm potentially shorting Manta, so you can make money on if you're holding, but also trading, consider joining the Signal group. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.